Hi lovelies, imagine you seated at home and earning money with just your phone. Does it sound too good to be true? You don't need complicated setup, you don't need machines, you don't need laptops, you don't need PC. What you need, you just need a phone, of which I know right now you have a phone. Since you're watching me, since you have data, you have already qualified to earn money, and we're talking about earning $100 plus on a daily basis. It sounds too good to be true, but here today I'm going to show 4 proven ways that you can make money. You can make $100 on a daily basis using your phone by using DeepSeek AI. DeepSeek AI is a proven Chinese platform, or I can call it Chinese AI bot that has proven the whole world, that has even almost outcompeted other AIs to really make money online. Most people have already started making money. I've already started making money. It's hardly 2 months that I'm making money with DeepSeek AI. And for using my phone, I've been using this phone to earn millions of shillings and of dirhams for now 2 years. Together with us today, let's dive in and prove ourselves right, and even prove that poverty, which is a bastard, prove it wrong. Go with me as we dive in and say these proven methods. They are simple. You don't need anything to invest in. What I need you is your focus right now. As we start our class right now, let me first say, watching it as a premiere or you're watching it as a prod, I love you so much. And to you, our royal viewers, you're so much welcome, and we really love you so much. And the new subscribers, this is the right press for you, because it's the press that we fight poverty, we fight lack, we fight time. Yani, before 15th of the month, you're looking for somebody to borrow you. I was once like that, but when I came to hold of this secret, I'm no longer like that. Let's dive in with way number 1, shipping. For you to do drop shipping with the assistance of AI. What is drop shipping? Drop shipping is that system that you can start trading online without an inventory, without a shop. You only decide and say, I'm going to start drop shipping. I'm going to start selling things. So how does AI help you? This DeepSeek, what you do, I want you to go to your browser, type in DeepSeek, as you can see also on our screen, put deepseek.com or DeepSeek AI. If you have downloaded it, that is more better. You can download it also. Put DeepSeek. After that, go to start. When you go to start, right away go and look for the items that are more searchable and are more trending, they are more being bought. How are you going to know them? Because if you say I'm going to start drop shipping of ladies' clothes, you might not know which ones are moving so fast. You might start just far, you might start anyhow, and at the end you say, oh my god, they told us that AI, the DeepSeek or drop shipping is so powerful for us to get out of luck, and you end up without getting a cent at the end of the month. But with AI, you go to deepseek.ai, right there, give me 10 items or 10 dresses, 10 makeup kits, 10 everything, whatever you want to trade in. Give me 10 of them that are most searchable in your area. You can call it, they are most searchable, not even in wherever. If you want a worldwide, you can put worldwide. If you want to put some certain location, you can also limit to a certain location. But I always advise you, if it is drop shipping, let it be worldwide. Now, where are you going to focus on? There are more of the platforms that you can focus on. You can focus on AliExpress, you can focus on Amazon. Amazon is the place that I buy things. You can also focus on that place. Most of the people now are buying on Temu, others are buying on Noon. Mention it, the one you're buying from. So it will bring for you the most searchable things that people are searched in that niche that you want to start on. If you want to start in beauty, it's there. In fitness, it's there. In finance, it's there. Then the moment it brings in, you know you're now okay. So you are going also to go ahead and click on the products. If you want to prove, you can click on the that product you want to trade in, go direct and put in Google Trends. Whenever you put it in Google Trends, you will see the amount of people, the location, and even the amount of money that is being spent on that same product that you own. So you'll be knowing I'm in the right place. You connect it with that one, and there you go. You'll be in position, the moment you use it, you'll be in position to know that my products are going to go. Why am I calling it the easiest way with your phone, moreover at home? Because you're not going to suffer with any inventory. The only thing, you're going to sit at home and relax and wait for the profit. Shipping cost is not on your side. Shipping hassles are not on your side. The moment those people get the product, you get your money. So what do we need to really do? Our AI, this DeepSeek, can easily find trending products and suppliers, handle customers' inquiries, and make orders, all from your phone. The AI, it helps you to streamline everything from product description to ad copy, so you can focus on scaling your businesses and earning daily profits. The second way of earning from your phone is content creation for social media. Content creation for social media has been very easy the moment you learn the code. Ask me how. Recently, I started earning the amount of money that is unbelievable. It's not because I'm a champion, because I learned the code. I might be a champion in one way or the other, but the most thing that has helped me is DeepSeek AI. How has it helped me? What I do, I no longer have hassle of doing transcript. I no longer have hassle of doing descriptions, of optimizing my videos. No, I don't have that. So what I do, I go and tell AI, like that way you can see on the screen, please can you do for me a transcript, a video transcript of dash dash dash. Like for example, the 5 ways to earn with my phone using DeepSeek. And it gives it. The moment it gives it, I sit down and edit, and I say, do I need to put this? Because already I have what I want to give you, but I don't want to sit down and do the transcript, the writing, the thinking, and no. I give it DeepSeek. DeepSeek gives me the product. I come edit, film, and give you. The moment I give you, I get my own money. Every end of the day, I'm seeing my account increasing. Make sure that content creation is very well, whether you're running personal brand or managing clients page. DeepSeek AI can assist in generating ideas, crafting captions, and even scheduling posts for you. AI, these ones you can do it from your phone without going anywhere. Consistency is the key. This is the song that I always tell you about consistency. Why? Because what you give AI, what you ask AI is going to give you. So if you be consistent, you'll find that you're generating daily income, which is 3 times than before when you had no assistance of DeepSeek. DeepSeek is your like personal assistant, the personal assistant that is more educated, that is more informed, knows everything. As long as you switch on and say, please, can I do this? I want to get this in a right. Be consistent for you to implement what we are doing. Then the third one is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the ways that every human being, if you're there and you've never found any business to do, you can start with from affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, no, it's a very beautiful thing that everybody should do. Why? You don't have any hassle. You don't need to go and buy products. You only sit down and eat commission, get your commission. How do you do this? You go to the programs like Amazon, ClickShare, ClickBank, and apply for this, being an affiliate associate. The moment you apply, they'll take you through a stage of what to do or what not to do, and you'll learn. Then you come back here. You only need to get a niche, a profitable niche, a niche that people are looking for the products. Are you in content creation? Are you in gadget? Are you in tech and review? Are you in finance? Are you in makeup? Are you in health and beauty? Is it fitness? Those ones, the moment you pick it, you go and also check the program you're going to. I always love to tell people about AliExpress, and even to encourage people to go for Amazon. Amazon is one of the platform that you will never regret. People are focused. The whole world is focused on Amazon. So affiliate marketing is another great way for you to earn with DeepSeek. It makes it easier than ever before. With just your phone, you can use AI to create compelling review blogs and even social media content to promote affiliate products. As your content generates traffic and sales, you can earn commission, no inventory required, just your phone and same strategy. So what you need to do here, I want you to make sure that you develop your platform, your social media platforms, because these social media platforms are the platforms that you're going to use to promote your affiliate links. You cannot promote these links outside there. Where will you promote them? So are you on YouTube? Are you on Facebook, TikTok? You can promote this by using either blogs, by using post, by using clips like what I'm doing. You make product reviews. All this one, DeepSeek AI to help you and make this. Yours is AI powered freelance services. What do we mean AI powered freelance? All of you know what powered freelance services. We have very many platforms that support freelancing in different ways. What you need to do is to make sure that what exactly are you offering? Are you offering copywriting, graphics? Are you offering graphic design or virtual assistants? If you're doing this tool is very powerful. It is very powerful to make you earn daily. With this DeepSeek AI, you can complete tasks like drafting emails, generating creative content, or even doing research, all from your phone. What you need is to know which platform can I go to. You can go to different platforms like Fiverr, like Upwork. Whether it's on the go or from the comfort of your home, you can easily hit $100 at the comfort of your home. Now here we are. So what do you think about these 4 ways of earning money with just your phone and DeepSeek AI? Do you think dropshipping is good for you? Content creation, is it okay? Affiliate marketing, what about freelancing? All these ones, for sure, I tell you, they are possible for all of us. What we need to do is to know that we can master them and we can do market at the end of every day. If you're ready to start earning, please, I would love you to tell us in the comment section. You also, if you've ever used one of them, please go to the comment section and also be a witness. What was your experience? What did you learn from there? What didn't you learn? What do you recommend? Thank you very much, you guys. Let's see in another video when all of us, we are earning money with our smartphone with the help of personal assistants who is DeepSeek AI.